We have a rover on Mars the size of an SUV that brought a helicopter with it.
Yes, a helicopter on Mars. So, what are we complaining about when it comes to space exploration?
Let's begin by addressing the skeptics who question the value of venturing into the final frontier. Commander Reed, a leader in modern space exploration, explains it simply, because we want to see humans on Mars.
The moon is not just a stepping stone but a crucial testing ground.
From mastering life support systems to testing sustainable habitats, our lunar missions are paving the way for humanity's eventual journey to the Red Planet.
The ultimate goal?
To unlock the mysteries of Mars and prepare for a future where humans may one day walk its surface. The most astonishing footage of Mars ever sent to Earth has revealed groundbreaking truths. NASA's Perseverance and Curiosity rovers have captured the Martian landscape like never before, in stunning 4K resolution. Hidden W-shaped paths, ancient lake beds, sediment layers, and even tantalizing methane signals paint a vivid picture of a planet that was once alive with possibility.
These discoveries shake our understanding of the Red Planet to its core. Let us now journey deeper into Mars's mysterious terrain, where the latest findings are rewriting history. The mission began with one daring goal: to determine if Mars ever had the right conditions for life.
Simultaneously, it aimed to assess whether the planet could one day support human explorers. Every aspect of this mission was a gamble, from the nail-biting descent to surviving on a barren, alien landscape millions of miles from Earth.
The latest transmission revealed something so shocking it could rewrite everything we know about life in the universe. The landing itself was a high-stakes challenge.
NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory invented entirely new technologies, including the now iconic Sky Crane system, to safely deliver Curiosity to Mars's surface.
This untested method carried immense risk. Failure would have meant the end of the mission before it even began.
But against all odds, the rover landed smoothly in Gale Crater, marking the beginning of an extraordinary journey.
Gale Crater was chosen as the landing site for its scientific promise.
At the heart of the crater stands Mount Sharp, a towering formation made up of layered rock that chronicles Mars's geological history. The lower layers are rich in clay minerals, hinting at ancient water, while the upper layers hold sulfur and oxygen-bearing minerals, suggesting a dynamic and changing environment. Exploring these layers is like flipping through a planetary time machine, revealing secrets of a world long gone. Curiosity wasted no time getting to work. Its first task was to capture images of itself and its surroundings, creating a composite selfie from a series of navigation camera photos. These images gave engineers a clear view of the rover's condition after landing.
Concerns that dust from the landing might cover its instruments proved unfounded. The rover's deck was clean and ready for science.
Curiosity's suite of advanced tools turned it into the ultimate Martian investigator. Among its instruments, the ChemCam stood out as a game-changer. Using a laser, it could vaporize small areas of rock and analyze the light emitted to identify the minerals present. One of its first targets, a rock nicknamed Coronation, was zapped with a laser pulse as hot as the surface of the Sun. From a tiny vaporized spot less than a millimeter wide, Curiosity gleaned a detailed chemical analysis. Beyond laser zapping rocks, Curiosity drilled into the Martian surface, scooped up soil, and even baked samples in its onboard lab to analyze the gases released. One of the most intriguing discoveries involved methane. Although the amounts detected were minute, methane's presence raised questions about whether it could be linked to biological activity or geological processes. On Earth, methane is often associated with life, making these findings an exciting piece of the Mars puzzle. As it climbed Mount Sharp, Curiosity uncovered evidence of ancient lake beds, further proof that water once flowed on Mars.
The minerals it found suggested that the planet was once much warmer and wetter.
These findings transformed our understanding of the Red Planet, painting a picture of a world that might have been hospitable to microbes billions of years ago.
The journey hasn't been without challenges.
The rover's wheels, for instance, have suffered damage from the rough Martian terrain. Engineers devised clever strategies to extend their lifespan, such as selecting smoother routes and adjusting driving techniques.
Despite these hurdles, Curiosity has continued to exceed expectations, exploring well beyond its initial mission timeline.
Every part of Curiosity, from its nuclear power source to its cameras, underwent rigorous testing before launch. Engineers simulated Mars-like conditions by flying radar equipment over Earth's Mars analog landscapes and testing parachutes under extreme circumstances. These efforts ensured the rover could endure the harsh Martian environment and succeed in its ambitious objectives. Curiosity's achievements have laid the groundwork for future missions, including the Perseverance rover, which is currently hunting for signs of ancient life and collecting samples for eventual return to Earth. Despite the arrival of newer technology, Curiosity's legacy remains unmatched. It has shown that venturing into the unknown can lead to profound discoveries and inspire further exploration. 15 years on Mars, that's how long the Curiosity rover has been cruising the red planet, taking photos, drilling rocks, and studying the air.
It's not just a machine, it's an explorer and a scientist. Every move it makes tells us a bit more about Mars's past, unlocking mysteries one by one.
On its 20th Martian day, known as a Sol, Curiosity put its ChemCam to work, zapping rocks with a laser to analyze their composition. Around the same time, the rover's wheels left behind an unexpected signature, the letters JPR written in Morse code, stamped into the surface. This wasn't just a mark of pride, it was a clever way to measure how much the wheels were slipping on the sandy terrain. By its 26th Sol, Curiosity had already driven more than 100 meters, a distance longer than a football field. This milestone proved the rover's ability to navigate the rocky Martian surface. Ahead of the rover lay a destination called Glenelg, where 3 different types of terrain came together.
The site promised a treasure trove of geological data, making it a priority for exploration.
Curiosity's journey to Glenelg and beyond has provided invaluable insights, not only about Mars but about the broader quest for life in the universe. Curiosity's ongoing odyssey has set the stage for human exploration of Mars. With every discovery, we come closer to understanding our place in the cosmos and answering the age-old question, are we alone? As we look to the future, missions like Curiosity remind us that the pursuit of knowledge is a journey worth taking, one that unites humanity in its shared quest to reach for the stars.